is Rids, your trainer for English. I hope you all like me, guys. And this is my day one to present myself like this. Today is the first time, almost after a decade, when you are seeing me with these pieces of jewelry. I couldn't wear them all. I couldn't dress up so well, guys, because I was really busy with my kids. I was busy bringing them up. I was totally into them. Today is the first time after so many years that I have come up with you guys, the way I am in real, guys. So this is real me, guys. Now let me call my these two Chuha Billies. I literally call them Chuha Billies. This is my son who is 9.5, and this is my daughter Mahi Patel, and she is almost 8. She will complete 8 in the next month, and he's Zad Patel. So I was really busy taking good care of them. I have really given my good time to them. Now since they are grown up, they are independent, they are really good at doing things by their own, and they have really learned, they really know that their mama keeps busy and they need to support mama now. So are you guys ready to support your mama?
Obviously.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
So guys, I have taken their permission today, and it's like I had always been craving, actually I would say really craving, to be in front of you like this. This is real me. Okay, so I want you guys to continue your English learning journey with me, and I would always encourage you guys to speak English my way. Chalo, you guys can leave now. Thank you so much, beta, for coming here.
Welcome.
Thank you. So guys, my strategy to teach English is that I will always encourage you to speak English. You got to share your real life experiences. That is the real way to learn any language. I would never encourage you to go for grammar, to go for tenses, because the grammar and the tenses, it really confuses you. It really brings frustration in you. With the time, the portion is so vast, guys. With the time, you really feel frustrated. You feel like what to do. You must stop, or you are not learning. Okay, so I don't want you to reach that level, guys. I would always recommend you to speak English my way, and that is to talk about your own experiences, guys. See, just now what I have done is I just spoke about my own experience. I spoke about what I had been going through. Okay, I spoke about my own journey. Similarly, I want you to talk about your journey of last one decade, and talk about the changes that you had, and how do you feel today. I did tell you about me, that I really feel great today. I really feel wonderful today. You can see my energy in the video, and this is how, guys, you have to practice your English. Yes, everyone. So I will be always in touch with you. I will always be into teaching now. I'm trying my best. I have really worked hard during these years. I have got 7 years of teaching experience, guys. I never stopped myself. I did have kids. I was busy bringing them up, but then I still didn't stop my journey. It was just that I couldn't make myself dress up like this. I didn't have time, guys. I used to sweat badly. I used to be busy with my kids. I was busy, teaching them, caring for them, taking them to the doctors, then taking them to the school. But now, yes, everything is settled. I really feel free now. I really feel they have grown up, and that's the reason today I am there in front of you. Now the English journey wouldn't stop with me. Today is the day one, and I want every one of you to take the pledge that now English journey should not stop with Rids. My name is Rids, guys, and I really welcome you all. Please do follow my channel. Please do share it with your loved ones. Please do subscribe to it, and please let other people reach my channel, whoever is looking forward to take his or her English to the next level, guys. Let whole India speak English, guys. I really wish to use my knowledge and teach you guys. I do have another channel. I'll be putting it in the link. Do follow it, guys. It is my old channel, and this is my new channel. So there is a playlist year 2023. I want you all to follow it right from the day one, so that your English journey with me never stops. Here I thank you all, guys. So see you soon with the next video. Thank you.